What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and I have the Ringke Hinge Dual Easy Film for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, this is a beautiful device, okay? You got the crafted black on deck. You got the full-fledged display here, looking sexy. Now, I have a screen protector for the inner screen. I have a screen protector for the cover screen. The only thing, and I use a case for this, and you can check out my channel for some cases I've been using. One of them I've been using is the Thinborn. I'll leave a description or a link down in the description so you guys pick that up. Actually get 15% off if you hit my link and use my promo code AndroidStud. Now, this we want to cover up because this is not protected when I'm using the Thinborn case. So if I'm using this case, it's not going to be protected because obviously it doesn't have a hinge protector. So we want to protect that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this puppy here from Ringke. Now I picked this up. I'll leave a link down in the description. I picked this up off of eBay actually. You could also pick it up from Ringke, but you could pick it up from eBay, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's got a couple steps here. First thing we're going to do is going to wipe it down, do our thing so that we can get involved here. And they give you a big giant pad here. I mean, you want to wipe it down here like this, and then you want to make sure everything's nice and clean. Then take your microfiber cloth, and it should be nice and dry. As you can see, this is completely clean. And then you're going to grab your protector here. And I'm going to show you how to, so it's simple. So all you're really going to do now, when you take off the first one, which is this one here, you're basically going to put it all the way across here. Now this sticks a little bit, so you can readjust it. So don't worry about that, but you want to kind of put it, ooh, I almost hit the, shout out to the dogs in the back. I almost hit the camera there with my head. But you kind of want to just put it so it's perfectly there in the center. I think I want to move it down a little bit so that the end is even on each side. I think that is pretty good. Put it there, there. I think I got to pull it down just a little bit. So we're going to pull it down here. And then that should be pretty even Steven there. Okay, now I'm gonna grab like a Starbucks card, if you got a squeegee or whatever you want to call it, and you're gonna just simply pull this up, and then you're just gonna simply boom, put that down there, and then you're gonna turn it this side, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other end. You're gonna go like this, and then just kind of flatten out the deal there, put it down, and then you're gonna simply take off your final piece, which is the top. If I can do that, yeah. You're gonna pull this off. This should come off. There we go. It came off there, and boom. And then you kind of just use your microfiber cloth. Now, if you have bubbles and stuff, they'll come out in a day or two. I did get a little bit of a, I think I'm all right. And there you go. There is your Ringke hinge protector. Now they give you two, so if you mess it up, you could do it again. But yeah, you just kind of wipe it down there. And also, if you have two and you mess it up, you're good to go. But you basically, now you have that hinge protection. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's decent. So, and some of these will probably come out over time. But yeah, there you go. Not bad. You just kind of work out the bubbles and it should be smooth. But yeah, you got some protection there, a little bit, in case you don't have it. In case you have a case like the Thinborn that doesn't provide that protection. Now you got a little bit of protection on the hinge. All right, so now I got the hinge protector set up pretty good. Not perfect, but pretty good. Just take your time doing it. I got my cover display on here. I got my inner screen done. You can check all those videos out. And I got my case. So now we got full protection. We got the case, we got the screen protector on the inside and outside, all right? And then we got our hinge protector. So we have full coverage and protection on our device.